Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another vlog. I hope everybody is doing okay. So in my last vlog I told you guys I'm going to be in a music video, so today is the day for the video. So I just finished taking my shower. I'm about to do my makeup right now, and Jenny is already doing her makeup, and maybe later I will introduce you guys to the rest of the guests. So talk to you later. We are in the studio right now, so everybody's getting ready. So yeah, and let me introduce you guys to some of the girls. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Jennifer.
We have two Jennifer now in the studio.
Get ready for it because it's gonna be hot.
And these are makeup artists. Ooh. And what's your name?
Hello, my name is Maya.
Maya with her pink hair.
Oh.
So guys, Jenny went to ease herself, so she's coming back. So yeah, let's get ready. Hey. So and this is our artist of today, Sakma. Hello.
Hello.
This is our artist of today. This is
Yeah.
the one singing the song. So watch us, okay? So guys, this is my first outfit of the shoot. So yeah. Ooh, you're looking good, Jenny. Ha! Bow straight wear. Oh my god. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. So guys, this is the second outfit for the video. So we changed the set, so we're in another set right now. So after this outfit, I think we're going to do two more. I don't really know, but yeah. So guys, and this is one of the girls also. So what's your name?
My name is Queen. I'm from Stuttgart, yes.
Stuttgart, that's
yes.
good.
I'm so excited to be part of this.
Yeah,
video.
me too. So guys, this is the producer.
Hello everyone, on the scene, on the set of Shuzi B, be coming down with beautiful girls.
Woo!
They're doing a thing. He's the artist.
Yay!
I'm the only guy with no hair.
Hey! DJ 1. DJ 1.4 in the building!
Yeah, let me tell you, everything you are doing in this life, you have to calm down.
Calm it down, don't rush. So guys, this is the third studio. Guys, this is the third outfit. I'm putting on this beautiful black dress. You're looking good. just finished taking pictures with the artist. So yeah, I'm sweating, I'm not going to lie. Like be calming down. We are doing Tomash.
Just be calming down, yeah?
We are doing Tomash.
I swear this girl gets swag. She gets swag.
Oh, thank
I don't
you.
gonna lie, she gets swag there. She's swagalicious. That's her second name.
So guys, we are going to the last setup. It's a bed scene, and not everybody is doing the scene. So yeah, but I'm doing the bed scene. So let's go. So guys, this is the last outfit of the day. So yeah, we are doing the last scene right now, and thank you very much DJ 1.4, because right now he's the cameraman, like he's the one vlogging for me right now. So thank you very much. So let's go. This is our last setup. So pretty. Right now, the shoot was really fun. Guys, wait for the video. If you see it, oh God, bomb! This girl, like, she's the crazy one in this whole group right now. She's the crazy one. Her dress is the most craziest in this whole group right now. She's shocked. So guys, I've not actually talked to you guys that much in this vlog. So right now we are at the location that we are going to be doing the after party, and we're going to spend the night right here. So everybody, they're getting ready upstairs, but for me, I'm done with my dress. Okay, I'm ready for the party. So yeah, I really hope you guys are really enjoying this vlog. If you're enjoying this vlog with me, please just comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. So guys, let me just show you guys my evening outfit, the outfit I'm going to put it on for the after party. I'm back home. As you guys can see, like, yesterday was really amazing. I really had fun yesterday at the after party. So yeah, I really want to end this vlog right here because my camera is like showing me sign I'm getting weak. But anyway guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely if you want to watch the full music video, I will definitely leave the link down in my description box so you can go out and check it, or definitely you can type Scusi B on YouTube, then definitely you will see the video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Like, can you guys see my skin? I'm glowing. Oh my god. But anyway, see you guys later.